We officially own a boat. That's real. There she is. Oh, just a wad there, but we can tuck that in the middle. Right? Yeah. Sweet.
I'm Carlie, and this is Brady. In early 2020, we sold our house and most of our possessions and took our first big leap into living our vagabond dreams. We recently hiked 800 miles of the Appalachian Trail, and now we are purchasing a sailboat to start sailing around the world, all while capturing a creative journal of the journey. We hope to inspire you to live your own dreams. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Good morning, everybody. It is day 2 of living on the boat. Today is more cleaning and starting boat projects. Last night, sleeping on the boat for the first time was a success for me. I slept really well. Carlie is still asleep. I'm not sure how she did, but we'll find out when she wakes up. So right now I'm gonna have some breakfast and see about getting coffee. I don't really know, but yeah. Cheers.
First official full day on the boat has started, and the question is it gonna be so cold that we're actually gonna have to turn the heater on? Yet to be determined, but we are cold. We may have enough, we probably have enough layers to put on to be fine, but if we're that layered up, are we still gonna be able to work? So anyway, that's today's news. Brady's left. He is headed to Home Depot, I think, to get some things that we need. Hopefully get himself some sweatpants as well while he's out. And I am about to unmake the beds that we made last night and do some more cleaning in there because we did not finish before the day ended, and yeah, we want to get that all clean, of course. So that is what I'm about to do now. Alright, been scrubbing the forward berth cabin. I finished one side. Definitely had to take some breaks because my arm was getting super sore. And I have started the other side, not made it super far. I ran out of my mixed cleaning liquid, so I gotta make some more. But Brady is almost done at the store now, so I'm gonna find out if he needs me to meet him to help him bring things in. Also, I was gonna show you and see if you could see the difference. I'm not sure if it'll show up on the camera, but let's test it. Alright, this is the side that I have not finished. Lighting's not amazing, but you can definitely see where I have scrubbed and not, and light's not getting to this little chunk, but yeah, well actually I think that chunk is what I have cleaned. Anyway, this is very obvious because I know that is where I stopped. Oh, it's gross. This side has been scrubbed all over. Yeah. I think our plan is to maybe do some sort of paint on these. They'll make it easier to clean. Yeah. That's kind of what we're looking at, doing some sort of marine paint. So, yeah, that is what is happening now. Gonna give Brady a shout and see if he needs help. Also, unrelated, it's like, I guess it would be the same as moving into a new house. I'm not really sure, but all kinds of new sounds to figure out and get used to. And is that my boat? Is that the boat next to us? Is that somebody talking? What is that? Yeah, so it's been interesting as well.
What you doing, Carlie? Digging through mail? What are we looking for?
Amazon. Whatever it is.
What are you trying to hunt down, Brady?
Where the hose is out of the bottom of that fridge. That's really frustrating because I can't find it anywhere.
The hose. You're just trying to follow the hose?
Yeah, I can't find anything that connects to the drain underneath this fridge. And there's no access to it.
Is there access from that cubby that's over there
No.
in the corner? No, it doesn't go around and under. Is there access underneath the stove?
No.
Over to that side?
No, there's combing all around this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That'll be a Google search.
Yeah.
And you found a working water pump over here,
Yeah.
and then one that's there but discontinued.
Yeah.
It's like not hooked up.
It's not hooked up. Well, the positive wire is, but the negative wire is not. Or vice versa. One of the two.
For the second one.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
The wire's just been cut and then left there. Like, if it doesn't work, why keep it on the boat?
Why? Yeah, I keep it. All right.
I don't know.
Have we determined what that water pump is?
It's the fresh water pump. See, for the sink.
Okay. So we turned it on and we know that that's what it is.
No, I haven't turned it on.
Okay.
But it's where the hoses go.
Okay. So it makes sense. All right.
That's all. Excuse me.
Time to remove the signs.
Not for sale anymore.
Nope.
Gonna take our first load of trash. All this crap. Old pillows and everything else. Take it to the dumpster. More pillows?
More pillows.
Take up so much space on the boat. So while Carlie was cleaning the walls in our forward cabin, I went to the store earlier and bought a bunch of stuff to make dinner tonight. So tonight we are having lentil tortilla soup. So I'm gonna get started on that right now.
Okay, so forgot to film. We'll get better at this. But we have created a cleaning stuff solution that is safe for boat, being on the water, environmentally friendly, all those good things that we are trying to be better at. And it is vinegar, and I found this 45% heavy duty vinegar for mixing that is stronger percentage, I guess, of white vinegar than most that I have found. And I also got, just from Plant Therapy, massive, 4 essential oils, massive bottles of tea tree, and then essentially Thieves, but because that's name brand, it's called Germ Fighter, I believe. So yeah, so I've put in about a 1:6, 1:5 ratio of vinegar to water, and then heavy-handed with the oils. And Brady has sprayed the table. And given it a good wipe down. So it's nice. It doesn't smell too horribly of vinegar. I mean, it smells like vinegar, but cleaning with vinegar is going to smell like vinegar. But the oils do smell good with it. So that's exciting. We finally got the oils in today in the mail, and we got the spray bottle to be able to mix it. So it's all the fun things. And yes, Brady has been making dinner, which we may be able to start sharing like recipes and stuff. Let me give you a little quick view of that. Yummy goodness there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. It is of your invention. So tell us what it is.
Lentil taco soup, lentil tortilla soup. Onion, poblano pepper, Anaheim pepper, and then you saute those, throw in a bunch of lentils, and I like, because Carlie's vegetarian, we use vegan protein broth whenever we can find it. If we can't find vegan protein broth, then we do vegetable broth, taco seasoning, a couple cans of Rotel, a couple cans of crushed or petite diced tomatoes, lots of garlic for Carlie. I think that's it.
Sounds about right.
I can't remember. I just throw things in there that sound good, and then add a bunch of taco seasoning.
Yeah, and pepper to taste, and
yeah, we don't have any black pepper.
okay,
Yeah,
things like that.
Cumin is something I'm missing. I don't have that.
So it's good. One of the recipes Brady made up a long time ago when I was doing Weight Watchers.
I did some lime juice this time.
Oh, that could be the salty. You don't normally add lime juice, but
There's no sodium in lime juice.
just kidding. So yeah, one of the recipes that we created back when I was doing Weight Watchers, but it's delicious and we're both cold. So soup sounded good. The boat's not rocking and rolling, so it's not too crazy to be having soup right now, which was definitely a joke when we were doing the boat crossing is, hey, you feel like some soup tonight? As we're like, you know, rocking from tow rail to tow rail, basically. So, yeah, time for dinner.